Hey guys, you are still unable to make money from the stock market, right? You are watching this video because you are still looking for something, you are still not successful, and have you understood why you are not still successful? Because you are still following those myths that are actually creating problems for you, that are not going to make you successful. So in this video, I am going to burst these myths. I am going to burst 5 myths of the stock market. This year 2019 is coming to end and we are going to celebrate the new year 2020, and let us burst all those myths those have not allowed us to be successful in the year 2019. So let us burst all those myths one by one.
But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856.
Myth number 1, you can never make money from the stock market. So guys, this is a complete wrong notion. You can make money from the stock market. But for that, you need to be very positive. You cannot be pessimistic. If you are pessimistic and you always think, I cannot make money, I cannot make money, I cannot make money, I'll lose. Ultimately, this is negative thinking and you are not going to make money from the stock market. So you need to be a positive thinker. You need to think that yes, I'll win in this particular trade. I'll win in this particular day. I'll win in this particular month. But positive thinking alone will not make you successful. You need to follow certain rules and then you need to do positive thinking. So first and foremost thing, you can make money from the stock market and you need to be a positive thinker first. I know I am going to receive many negative comments below this video. In fact, I receive many negative comments under my videos, and all those negative comments, I know these commenters are not making money, so they are believing that stock market is a gambling kind of thing. You can never make money from the stock market. So friends, first and foremost thing, do not believe this thing. Stock market is a positive thing. You can make money from the stock market, but for that you need to be a positive thinker and you need to follow certain rules. That was myth number 1. The myth number 2, intraday trading is gambling. This is completely wrong notion once again. Intraday trading is not gambling. Intraday trading is a regular business for serious traders. But for that, you need to know the know-how of this business. You cannot come overnight and think that you can start making money from the intraday trading. That is wrong. You need to know how to trade. You need to follow certain things. Then only you can make money from intraday trading. Intraday trading is not gambling. You need to take calculative risk. Then only you are going to make money. So this myth was once again, it is wrong. And I am coming up with a new video in the year 2020 where I'll show you how you can make serious money from intraday trading. So that will be my first video for the year 2020. Now the myth number 3. You need huge capital for stock trading. That is once again wrong. You do not need huge capital, but you need to know how much margin you are going to get and you need to cover your margin. There will be losses in the stock market, but you need to know how much margin you are getting and you need to cover your margin. You should have room for making losses also because there will be losses and you need to have room. One loss and you should not be wiped out. So you can take margin from your broker, but you need to cover your margin. You need to have sufficient amount of money that will cover your margin plus the amount of losses that you are going to make. So in my previous videos, I have already shown you, you can also make money from the stock market from a capital of 50,000 also. So a capital of 50,000 to 2 lakhs is enough for making a simple living in the stock market. And in my next video, I am once again going to show you how much margin you need to follow the exact strategy that I am going to reveal in 2020. The myth number 4. You need advanced stock trading systems to make money from the stock market. That is once again wrong. You do not need very advanced systems. You do not need a holy grail. You are still looking for a holy grail, and stop looking for a holy grail right now, because you can follow simple trading systems. You need to believe on the trading systems, and you can follow simple trading systems, and you can make money. I have already shown you that you can make 1,000 rupees a day following some simple trading systems. And in the year 2020, I am going to show you how you can make serious money from the stock market without using any complex trading systems, without any holy grails. So that was the myth number 4 that has been busted. And myth number 5, you need to be highly accurate for making money in the stock market. See guys, I also received many calls from the advisors. Those are based at Indore, and everyone claims that they are actually 99% accurate. In fact, I have seen many websites where they have claimed that they are very accurate. So that is wrong. This kind of accuracy does not exist. So do not run after accuracy. In my first video of 2020, I am going to show you with just 40% to 50% accuracy, you can make serious money from the stock market. So that's all friends. If you have 40% accuracy, you are done. No need to go for a very highly accurate trading system. These kind of trading systems does not exist. Yes, to some extent, with some basic tweaking, you can get your trading system 60% to 70% or maybe 80% accurate. But do not believe them who are telling you that they are 100% accurate or they are 99% accurate. These kind of accuracy does not exist. So guys, these are the 5 myths. Those are not allowing you to be successful in the market. Do not believe these myths. You can make money. Have faith on you. Have faith on yourself. This is the last video of mine for the year 2019. And I am assuring you that the first video of 2020 can be a game changer for you. It can change your life. So friends, I wish you happy new year in advance. I wish you loads of luck in the next year 2020, and I'll meet you with a new video. Till then, bye bye.